It makes me reflect on how interconnected we all are. Uh, the, the fish we eat may have consumed microplastics which once floated and visibly in water. The turtles and seabirds entangled in plastic debris remind us that waste does not simply disappear. It comes back in the most heartbreaking ways. Marine mammals trapped in nets and suffocated by microplastics show us the cruel consequences of negligence. What's most unsettling is that isn't just an environmental issue, it's a human one. Plastic in the ocean ultimately finds its way back to our plates or our health and our community. Biofilms, which might just look like slimy layers to us, are actually lifelines for microorganisms. They contain polysaccharides, proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids, basically a rich source of food and protection. For cells, biofilms are like a safe home and pantry combined, giving them both shelter and nutrition. In a challenging environment, this makes me reflect on how survival often depends not only on strength but on cooperation and community. Just as cells gathered in biofilms to endure and thrive, we too need connection and support to overcome its challenges. It's fascinating to think that at a microscopic level, nature has already shown us the value of unity and resilience. What amazes me is how these tiny, invisible microbes living quietly in seawater, sediments, and biofilms carry such powerful abilities. As humans, we created the plastic problem. These organisms are working silently to undo some of the damage. It makes me realize how interconnected we are with even the smallest forms of life, and how solutions to our biggest knowledge crisis carries our responsibility. This disconvenience should make us complacent, thinking bacteria will simply clean up after us. The plasmics or the framework illustrates ripple effects of plastic pollution. It starts with plastic waste harming the environment and releasing greenhouse gases. This pollution then contaminates aquatic ecosystem, impacting the food we eat. The frame Dr. Deo said argues for a scientist-led cooperative strategy to combat plastic pollution. He calls on scientists, students, and the public to collect local data, making the problem concrete and understandable. By contributing expertise, he believes individuals can appreciate how plastic directly influence their health and environment, transforming a theoretical concern into a pressing reality. The, this community engaged evidence-based method is a compelling model for generation impactful and enduring solutions. In my view, Doctor on the approach is strategically brilliant and incredible powering. He shifts away from top-down solution, instead empowering individuals and communities to become active participants in scientific discovery, effective making them citizen scientists by gathering data within their own localities. Communities gain direct insight into the tangible, abstract problem into a pressing personality um, concern that sparks real action. This grassroots evidence-based methodology provides a robust framework for confronting complex environmental issues with relevance that extends worldwide.